Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and write beautifully. This is class 7 of our full English grammar course. Today's topic is prepositions, a small but powerful tool in English grammar. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Examples: the book is on the table. She is sitting beside me. He came from school. These words tell us where, when, or how something happens. Types of prepositions. Number 1. Preposition of place. In, on, at, under, over, behind, between. Example: the keys are on the table. Number 2. Prepositions of time. At, on, in, since, for, before, after. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. Number 3. Prepositions of direction, movement. To, into, onto, out of, from. Example: she went into the room. Number 4. Prepositions of cause, reason, purpose. Because of, due to, for, since. Example: he was absent because of illness. Number 5. Prepositions of manner, agent, instrument. By, with, like. Example: the letter was written by her. Common preposition mistakes. Incorrect: I will meet you in Monday. Correct: I will meet you on Monday. Incorrect: he is married with a doctor. Correct: he is married to a doctor. Always choose the correct preposition based on context. Practice sentence. Let's practice with some sentence. 1. The pen is in my bag. 2. She lives at 25 Park Street. 3. The cat jumped onto the sofa. 4. They have been here since morning. 5. The gift was sent by my uncle. So, prepositions are very useful for showing location, time, direction, and relationships in a sentence. Keep practicing them in your daily English conversations. Comment below, use at, on, or in your own sentence and share it. Subscribe to Fluent English with Shah for more grammar and spoken English. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.